Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Well, my name is Avinash Sharma. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in our series of significance of planets, until now we have covered total 4 planets, and today in this video we're going to cover one more new planet, and today we'll talk about the planet of love and romance. We'll talk about planet Venus. So before I talk about this in detail, let us first understand about this planet a bit. So as per Hinduism, there are 4 guiding principles for human life, which is dharma, arth, kam, and moksha. Venus, signifies or rules the 3rd principle, which is kam, which means love, attraction, and desire. So all those comforts and luxury that we all have been enjoying in this life, or we all are striving to accumulate different luxuries or comforts for ourselves, has the energy of Venus, right? Venus is that sensual energy, which propels you to, work to attain more of luxury in your life. It also represents your semen, which provides you both physical strength and as well as, pleasure. Apart from that, Venus, is a female planet, which signifies this feminine energy. So all those females in your life, be it your mother, be it your sister, be it your female co-workers, your wife, they are the real Venus in your life. They they signifies the energy of Venus. So now we'll talk about what happens when Venus is this positive or exalted in your horoscope. So first and foremost, all those people who have Venus exalted in their horoscope, they have magnificent personality. They are charismatic, first and foremost. People would drawn towards them. Their aura is such that people would like to talk to them and they want them in their life somehow. Apart from that, these people have very good relationship with opposite people, sex, and most importantly, their marital life is very good. Their wife is beautiful. Apart from that, Venus also represents goddess Lakshmi. She's the deity of wealth. So obviously, their lifestyle is luxurious. They have abundance of wealth. They are rich. So these are some of the signs, if you are, having in your life, which means that, or which signifies that your Venus is strong. And one more thing which I have noticed is that when your Venus is strong, you have that feeling of contentment at the end of the day. You have the peace of mind, irrespective of the fact whether you're earning 10,000 a month or ₹1,00,000 a month. That contentment, that peace of mind, that feeling of satisfaction will always be there, and there would be a harmonious environment at your home, at your place, among your family members. However, on the other hand, if this planet is malefic in your birth chart, first and foremost, it will destroy your relationship with opposite sex, especially with females, which means that your married life will not be good. In extreme cases, when Venus is highly malefic, it leads to divorce as well, right? Apart from that, there is a difficulty in accumulating money. Moreover, the environment, or especially the member of your family would have to go through a lot of misfortune, especially the female members. And also there would be negativity at your home. You would not find that peace of mind, and you will lose attraction. So these are some of the prominent signs to identify that your Venus is weak in your horoscope. So what needs to be done in order to improvise this particular planet, or to get the positive aspect of this particular planet? So first and foremost, I have said it in my earlier videos also, time and again. In order to improve any planet, first and foremost, we have to sync ourselves as per that planetary position, or as per that planet particular aspect. We have to sync our thoughts and actions as per that planet vibes. What I mean to say is that for instance, this Venus, as I mentioned just now, that this Venus signify female energy. So you cannot and you should not, in fact, disrespect females in your life. If you're doing that, no matter what, how many remedies you're performing and what all different mantras you're chanting, nothing is going to work out. So first and foremost, you need to respect females, and this rule does not apply to all the men's. It applies to females as well. So they should also respect females, otherwise their Venus will also be malefic. Second thing is that you need to bring some sort of changes in your lifestyle and your dressing sense as well, because the energy of Venus likes to stay at a place which is completely spick and span, and there is a there would be a lot of fragrance over there. So what you can do, you have to take care of your personal hygiene, and also at the same time the place where where you stay, it should be completely neat and clean. And also white is the color of Venus, so try to wear more of a white color or light pink shade, especially on Friday, if not possible on all the days. So this is the second remedy. And third remedy, as I just mentioned, that Venus also signifies goddess Lakshmi. If you can, then worship goddess Lakshmi. It is also going to be highly beneficial for you, because I personally believe that prayer is one of the best medium to connect with that Almighty. You have that medium to ask for to ask for this forgiveness, and to get the strength to overcome all the difficulties or hurdles that you're facing in your life. So these are some of the remedies that you can adopt on a day-to-day basis. Apart from that, there are multiple remedies, but I don't want to get into that, because these are the simple one which you can follow on a day-to-day basis, and easy as well, and very effective too. So that's it this video, guys. I hope you like the content, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.